Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these really cool star sun link earrings using the bargain bead box for January of 2024. Look at the way these turned out. I love the way these turned out. They were so fast and so easy to make, just using some tiny little jump rings, and I just attached them below, and then I attached the beautiful aqua quartz dyed round beads along with some of the crystal bicones. And then I had my own ear wires that I used. So other than the ear wires, the jump ring, and then I had 2 eye pins, one for each one. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to learn how to make these, then stay tuned. Okay, so I just did part of the first one where I connected the stars with these tiny, tiny little jump rings. And I connected a bigger one, then a smaller one, then a bigger one, and then to the sun links. So I'm going to do this on this side now. So I'm going to take, let me move these. I have some ear wires. I have some eye pins too. Move those aside first. And I'm gonna just open these up first. I'm gonna put this one and this one in there to start with. I always use my bent chain nose pliers because I like to make sure that they're very closed. Okay, so then I'll open this up with the smaller one there. I'm going to do this one. Open that up and put the smaller one through. And then we're going to do the bigger one. And close these up again. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Why I'm having such a problem right now? Okay. So we have a small, a big, a small, and then we're going to attach it to the sun link. And the sun links are the same on both sides. So it's really, there's no right side and wrong side for these. Okay, so I have those. Okay, so I have those down like that. I'm going to take the eye pen, open it up. I like like to use my round nose pliers to get in there and make sure everything's closed. So we have it like this, and I'm going to have the opening of the eye pen going on the opposite in the back like that. We're going to do this side now. Okay, so we have both of those. So now we're going to take, we're going to take this. I'm going to do a crystal bicone. One of these gorgeous aqua quartz beads. Another crystal bicone. Another aqua quartz and another crystal bicone. Let's see how pretty these are. Whew. Gorgeous. Wait a minute. Yes. So I have that right there. So you see how I have that? Now, I have that. I'm going to bend that. I'm just going to trim a little bit of this off. Then take my round nose pliers, and I turn my hand around, and I just try and make as perfect of a little loop as I can. So we have that. Now we're going to go to this side and do a crystal bicone. Okay. So that's where we're at on this. Okay, so now I'm going to turn all these though before I put them on the ear wires. Just trim a teeny bit off. And I always close my eyes when I trim those because God forbid if that shot into your eye, that would kind of put a damper on the video and the day. And I'm sure that's happened to somebody before. Okay, so now this would be laying like this. So what you want to do is you want to, hold on one second. Taking this like that. Opening this up, and I'm just going to turn that. So that is like that. Okay. So now put this, open up that little ball there. Let that fall through. Then you close that up. I hope I didn't close that too much. And then you have this pretty, okay. So there's one. And now we've got this other one. Yeah, well, there's that. Okay. Now we're going to put that through. Just open that ball up a little bit. Sink that down into there. And here we have these really cool earrings. Just a quick pair of dangly earrings just to use up the rest of the pieces in the box. I loved these sunlinks. This has been such a fun box to work with. I've really enjoyed working with it. I've made 2 necklaces so far, and then these earrings, and of course I'm gonna go and do my own thing and make more because that's me. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have so many tutorials I'm putting up this year, lots of fun projects and everything, working with all the different bead boxes and my own stuff. And I will leave Etsy links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest if you'd like to follow me on there. And let me know in the comments what you thought of these. And I will see you on my next video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.